You're welcome to solve for the value of x given the absolute value or the magnitude of x plus 3. This is equal to the magnitude of x minus 11. So let's provide a solution from here. Now the first part here, we have the absolute value. So we can equate this directly, that is x plus 3. This is equal to x minus 11. By equating direct here, we have that x. Now, if we take x on the left hand side here, then this means we have x minus x. Then this will be equal to minus 11. Let's take plus 3 on the right hand side, so this becomes minus 3. And therefore, x minus x, this is equal to 0, which is not equal to minus 14. So in the first case here, there is no solution. In the first case, there is no solution here. So in other words, we have an empty set. Now, the second part here, when you have the absolute value, like what we have here, what we normally do, we multiply one of the side by a negative value. So we have x, here we have x plus 3. This is equal to, now, minus into the parentheses x minus 11. So this implies that here we have x plus 3. This is equal to minus times x, this is minus x. Minus times minus 11, this becomes plus 11. And therefore, let's take minus x on the left hand side so that we have here x plus x. This is equal to, now here we have positive 11. Let's take plus 3 on the right hand side, so this becomes minus 3. And this implies that here we have x plus x, this is 2x, and this is equal to 11 minus 3, and this is equal to 8. Now, if we divide both sides by 2, this implies that the value of x here is equal to 8 divided by 2. This is equal to 4. So we have the value of x equal to 4. So the next step is to verify. Let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have the absolute value of x plus 3. This is equal to the absolute value of x minus 11. Substituting x equal to 4, then here we have the absolute of 4 plus 3. This is equal to the absolute of 4 minus 11. Now, here we have the absolute of 4 plus 3. This is 7. This is equal to the absolute value or the magnitude of 4 minus 11, which is minus 7. And this implies that here, the absolute value of 7, this is equal to 7, which is equal to the absolute value of minus 7, this is equal to 7. So here we have that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this clearly shows that the value of x, which is equal to 4, satisfies the equation. So thank you for watching. If you have a different technique on how to solve this, kindly don't hesitate to showcase in the comment section. See you in the next video.